Okay, so I get highlights and every time I leave this on, my hair is platinum. And then over the next couple weeks, it just gets dingy and dark. I've tried everything. Purple shampoo just makes it look darker. I couldn't figure out what was going on with my hair. So I'm gonna share my new favorite product with you guys, even though I don't want to because I don't want it to sell out. And no, this is not an ad. So I use the Color Wow Dream Filter. Basically, I figured out my hair was getting darker due to mineral buildup from my water. In the past, I even went as far as buying a filter for my shower head, and that didn't even work. So before I shower and wash my hair, I just spray this on my hair and leave it on for 3 minutes, shampoo, and then my hair is brand new. Thank you guys so much for all the suggestions. I just want to clarify a little bit that my hair wasn't turning like a brassy color. It was turning dark from the hard water and mineral buildup. My hairstylist had me stop using purple shampoo. She switched toners because she thought the one she was using was maybe oxidizing weird on my hair. Through trial and error, we finally figured out what the issue was because we live in Oklahoma and we have really crappy water here. I didn't do a before and after video because I didn't think it would work, honestly, but I have picture evidence of before and after. All these pictures were taken in natural lighting. This was right after I got my hair done. Looks really bright and blonde. A couple weeks later, this was the picture I actually sent my hairstylist after I used the Color Wow for the first time because I was amazed at how bright my hair looked. All I'm saying is if you have the same issue with your blonde hair and you have hard water, it doesn't hurt to try it.